Hey there, if your Amazon Fire TV is showing no signal, don't panic, I've got you covered. First off, check if you're on the right HDMI input. Grab your remote, head to your TV's home screen, select Inputs, and pick the HDMI port that's lit up. Still nothing? Make sure your Fire TV is turned on and that the HDMI cable is plugged in tightly on both ends. Now unplug the cable, check the tips, and give those HDMI ports a gentle clean. Dust can mess things up. Still stuck? Try a different HDMI port or swap in a new cable. Trust me, bad cables cause more headaches than you think. If you're using an HDMI splitter or switch, remove it and connect your Fire TV straight into your TV. Got a soundbar? Make sure it's in the HDMI ARC port, not a regular one. That's key for getting audio to work. Next, let's enable HDMI CEC. Go to Settings, then Display and Sounds, and open up HDMI CEC Device Control. Turn that ARC setting on. I recommend switching on any other CEC options too, it just makes life easier. Still seeing a black screen? Time for a cold boot. Power off your TV and Fire TV, unplug them, wait 30 seconds, then plug everything back in and turn them on. And if it's still not working, test with another device in that HDMI port. If nothing works, you might have a hardware issue. Call support for help. That's it. Hope this fixed your HDMI issues. Like and share if it helped.